Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm and heartfelt welcome from me. Okay, as you may well remember, in the previous session we made a page to show the list of the users who have just registered or who have already registered on the site, and we made our own users app. Now we want to set this page inside a chart just like we did with our news, so that every user who registers would be shown and listed there. There is something else we can do. We can go to the manager app and write the email there so that it would have a better front when we show it on the chart. Alright, email would be set here because I am adding a new field. I need to give a default to my model. Okay, let's see, the word default equals, okay, emails. That's right. Let's see, migrate and run. Alright, I forgot to mention to say default is equal to what? We added it and now it's alright. Okay, I added an email field here. We can save email name and the common field, which is user over here. At first I go to the list page and I copy the news list and set it here. Okay, let's copy again. Let's make a copy out of it. That's right. And erase all. Here Control C and here Control B. Okay, we correct these and just like that, as we can see over here, manager. Okay, I correct the names on my page. Let's see, here are the fields that I have. I get these. We have an ID field, we have a name, and let's see, email and one username. Okay, that's the username. No, those are not necessary, we remove them. Okay, now I need to go to the view and correct this section in the view. I need to make the query for the foreign. I say manager equals manager dot objects dot all. Okay, and send this to the templates. Okay, manager. Alright, yep, that's it. Now here I say cc in manager. Okay, that's it. The email field, and for the username utxt. Okay, I refresh this page. As you see, it looks like this, but now we need to register to test it, and any registration would be shown over here. Alright, first I exit and go to the main admin on Django. Okay, and erase the user that we had made. The demo user would be deleted. That's it. Okay, I erased the user. Here, log out and return to the registration page. Register and login page of our site. Okay, I need to add the name field to here. Let's see, we go to the login page. We go to the login page, and in the login and registration form, let's first find the form, the login and registration form. Here it gets username, email. Okay. Yep. Let's see. That's right. Okay. Yep. Password. Yeah. Let me search some more. Okay. Yeah. Next we got the username. Yeah, I copy this part. All right. And up here, at first, instead of username, I say name, and we get the name, ID, and name would be name. That is, my form looks like this now, name and then username. Okay, we define ID and name, and now what do we need to do? We need to go to the registration function. Let's see where it is. Let's find it. We need to check in the URLs. It is here. It's called my register. Let's search the function that I just wrote. It's here. What I have done is that I have received username, email, and password. Now I add another field, and the name is received as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, username is equal dot object dot create. Yep. Now here we have received the name. Let's see, and here I set another condition. I say if name equal empty, a string, that is the name had not been filled in, then show a message. Okay, and it should say, what would the message be? It would be an error. For instance, input your name, or add your name, anything that you like. If not, and everything is okay, then we'll move here and make the username. And here I need to get on with my work. The first thing that I do is to import the user app from manager.model, import manager, and then over here I say as an example b equals manager. Now the fields that are necessary: name equals name, utxt equals uname, and email equals email, the three fields that we had on our app. And then we say b.save. Okay, I refresh and make a user, call it demo. Yeah, this is demo user. Okay, username is demo as well. Email demo@gmail.com. And next we have a strong password to make, and repeat the password, and we agree to the terms and conditions and register. Okay, my registration is done. Now I can log in. Here I can set a message, like we did with returns to tell the errors. Here we can set a message to say your registration is done successful. Now you can log in or you can log out. It's not obligatory, it depends on you, but you better set it. Okay, now I have logged in manager list. As you see, the user can be seen. It's called demo user. Then there is the email and demo. Alright, let's here I add a vertical line. Let's see what happens where we have set it in the HTML wrongly. I remove it. This part we forgot to remove the front part. Now the date is okay, and the email, username and name. You can get other information from the user besides the one which we have just received here, and set up over here those fields. You're not limited to this field. We just use the name field as an example. There is something else that you can do also, and what we can do is to make the admin dynamic using the command request.userDel. In the master, we can do that there in the master. Okay, here we replace admin, we replace it with, say, request.user. And now I refresh the site. As you see, the name demo has been set over here. And if I exit now and enter with a former user, as you see, the admin is shown or being shown to me, and any user would be shown over here. That's it. Alright, at first we added some new information that was necessary for the user, but still we have not defined which are the admin and which are normal users. Usually the users who are registered on the site are not admin. They can be, of course. We can mix these, do something and say anyone who registers on the site is an admin, and he will enter the admin page. And then we can define the accessibilities. We can say when they registered, first they can not add any news on our website, and the main admin needs to confirm their news before they add them to our website, or their news needs to be published on their admin's confirmation, in other words. And except for adding the news, there are other things that the admin can regulate. He can define accessibility levels for other parts of the site as well, and these are the things that we are going to deal with.